Let's give this $3 Target trash can a little spice. All right, so let's see what they're gonna do. And this is like your basic trash can. You can get this style trash can from anywhere. So they're gonna make this more of that stone style. Oh, they're using a Lazy Susan to spin it around. That's smart. Now, this stone spray paint does a really good job of covering the area with just one coat, but I would do like 2 or 3. Nobody wants to pay $20 for a trash can. Woo! This is a brilliant idea. And you can even grab one of these styles from like the dollar store and do the same thing. Very cool hack. Hello everyone, welcome back to Design Trend Seeker. So if you are new around here, my name is Danielle, and on this channel we like to take a look at trending DIY project ideas and react to them. So next up we have someone with some kind of lamp here. So they cut the bottom out. Oh, it looks like they're going to use like a puck light instead of the electrical. So this is like a hack for saving money, basically. So like you're still able to get lighting without actually, you know, making the bill go up. That's a cute little idea. Oh, and you can change it, like most of them you can change like a different color too. This one doesn't appear to have that function, but that would be a really cool way to, you know, mix in some color to your space too. All right, so the next DIY involves some cardboard, some type of rope here. Oh, looks like they made like a laundry basket or a trash can. Oh yeah, definitely a laundry basket. It could be a trash can too if you wanted it to be though. Cute idea. Wow. Alright, so we have a bunch of really bold, exotic spray paint colors here. Orange, neon, pink, blue. So this is someone who likes a lot of color within their space. Then we have a canvas piece here. Oh, this is kind of like a graffiti design. Oh, this is pretty. So they're just making hearts. This is cute. This is a cute idea. And this could be like a little fun artwork piece, especially in like, you know, a child's bedroom or maybe your own if you're really into like color like that. This is cute. Definitely something different. You could even do like smiley faces. I think that would be such a cute little vibe. And look at their pillows. Yeah, they definitely like color. DIY succulent bowl. Oh, once again with the stone spray paint. Beautiful stones. This is pretty, and it's a nice, simple, easy project to do, especially like if you're just starting off in the world of DIY. Very simple and easy project to replicate. Okay, I didn't know if you were gonna see the table being done, but it looks like we have this basket that they're playing around with. Okay, they're going in with the painter's tape. Oh, so they're gonna do like a different color here. Oh, that's pretty. Wow, beautiful planter. I love the white stones they added. Very cute idea. I'm wondering how long this would last though, because it is outdoors. Making acrylic trays. So they're bending it to shape it how they want. Oh, that's a really pretty color. It's like a terracotta shade. Oh, they're doing like a rainbow color. Wow. Oh, earring holder. Oh, wow, they made several different items. Jewelry tray. This is cute. A place to put their nail polish. Very nice. I love the color combo. Alright, you guys, I hope you enjoyed checking out all these DIY project ideas with me today. If you did, please be sure to thumbs up the video, and I will see you in the next one.